everyone, Lice Lady here. Go ahead and hit that subscribe, comment, and like button to follow us for more updates on our videos. So today we're going to be debunking the myth of apple cider vinegar. We get lots of people coming into the clinic that have tried apple cider vinegar, but it actually doesn't work. That's why they end up in our clinic. So let's go ahead and give it a try and see. We have some lice in the Petri dish. We're going to go ahead and pour the apple cider vinegar in there and see what happens. Oh, this is so gross. Shake it around. There we go. So as you can see, it's still swimming around, still alive.
Look how clear that is.
I know, it's amazing.
His little legs. Oh my gosh, that's so gross.
You can like even see its crab like claws.
Pincers.
I think that's a female too. Go back.
Oh, there's the other one.
Oh, sorry, smells so bad. Seriously, this stuff smells horrible.
Look at his little his claws on that one.
No, sorry. I can't. Oh my gosh. Does that not bug you?
No. You okay?
Man.
I'm trying to lighten them.
I'm sorry.
Okay, it's been 20 minutes. We're gonna pull these guys out. I'm trying not to breathe through my nose or else I might puke. Be totally serious. Come on. Don't throw up. Oh my gosh. I don't know how people do this. Come on. I don't even want to touch it. Not the lice. I don't care about that. It's just the vinegar. I don't want the smell on my hands. Oh, it's totally alive because it's crawling up my fingernail. Little buddy. Really?
Killing you.
Oh, I'm trying so hard not to breathe out of my nose. As you can see, the apple cider vinegar really didn't do anything to this louse. It's still alive and kicking as well as the other one. They're both alive. Didn't do anything. So as you can see, apple cider vinegar isn't a treatment that I would recommend. It's not something that works. The louse were still alive and kicking pretty good after we got them out of the treatment. So also, it smells really, really bad. I almost puked several times. Smells absolutely horrible. I wouldn't want this on my head. I know people use it for other things. Cooking. Use it for cooking. That's about is the extent that I would use it for. If there's any things that you would like us to try to debunk any myths, things that you want us to try not on the head, but just louse in a Petri dish, go ahead and comment and we'll give it a shot. Otherwise, have a lice-free and happy day. Hi everyone, thanks for joining us on our Facebook page. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button to follow us.